Hello students, today we are going to start exercise 8.3 factorization from class 9th book of West Bengal Board of Secondary Education. Okay, and this is question number 1, t to the power 9 minus 512. So we are asked to factorize this. Okay, before we solve the questions from this chapter, let us see the formula that will be required to solve the questions from this chapter. Okay, list of formulas. I'm writing formulas. There are only 3 formulas that we require to solve questions from this chapter. One is a square minus b square equal to a plus b whole into a minus b. This is the first formula, we all know this. And the second is a cube plus b cube. The formula for a cube plus b cube is a plus b whole into a square minus ab plus b square. And the third formula is a cube minus b cube, and formula for a cube minus b cube is a minus b whole into a square plus ab plus b square. Okay, these are the 3 formulas that we require to solve the questions from this chapter. And sometimes we may need other 2 formula also. I'm going to write that also. That is a plus b whole cube. We need this formula in the last part of the questions, that is question number 9, 7, 9 and 10. Okay, a plus b whole cube is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. And the 5th formula is a minus b whole cube, that is a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Okay, these 2 formulas we require while solving question number 7, 9 and 10 from this chapter. And the rest of the questions we can solve using the above 3 formulas, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, please take the screenshot of these formulas. I'm going to erase this and start solving right from question number 1. Okay, let's solve this question number 1. T to the power 9 minus 512. So we can write t to the power 9 as t cube whole cube. Okay, 3 3s are 9, isn't it? T cube whole cube minus this 512. We can find the factors of 512. We write 512 and find the factors. Okay, so 8 6 are 48, 8 6 are 48, 49, 50, 51, 3 in hand, so this becomes 32. So 8 4s are 32. Now we have 8 8s are 64. 8 multiplied 3 times gives us 512, isn't it? So instead of 512 we can write 8 cube. Okay, now this t cube we assume as a and 8 we assume as b. Okay, a is t cube and b is 8. We assume t cube as a and 8 as b. So a cube minus b cube. We have the formula, isn't it? So that is a minus b whole into a square. Okay, let me write properly. Let me use curly bracket. Okay, a minus b into a square, that is t cube whole square, a square plus ab, t cube is a into b is 8, ab plus b square, that is 8 square, isn't it? So this will give us, now we can write 8 as 2 cube, isn't it? So t cube we write as it is, t cube minus 8 we can write 2 cube. 2 multiplied 3 times gives us 8, isn't it? So 2 cube is 8. Now this t cube into t cube squared, so 3 2s are 6, t to the power 6, 3 2s are 6 plus t cube into 8, that is 8 into t cube, that is 8t cube, plus 8t square is 8 8 is 64, isn't it? This will give us t cube minus 2 cube, a cube minus b cube, isn't it? So let's apply the formula a cube minus b cube again. So a minus b into a square plus ab, a is t, b is 2, ab plus b square, 2 square. Okay, this we write as it is, t to the power 6, t to the power 6 plus 8t cube plus 64. Now let's copy this t minus 2 as it is, t minus 2. This we rewrite again, t square plus t into 2 is 2t, okay, t into 2 is 2t plus 2 square is 4, whole into t to the power 6 plus 8t cube plus 64. So these are the factors of t to the power 9 minus 512. Okay, this is the answer. When we multiply this expression with this expression and with this expression, we get this, which means this and this and these are the factors of t to the power 9 minus 512. Okay, I hope you got this. Now let's move on to the next question, question number 2. Okay, now let's do question number 2. 729 into p to the power 6 minus q to the power 6. Okay, first we are going to convert this into a square minus b square form. Okay, we can either convert this into a cube minus b cube form also, but I'm choosing to convert this into this form. Okay, a square minus b square. Now what we do is we find the perfect square of 7 to 9, that is 27. 27 square is 7 to 9. Okay, we find the square root in this way, 7 to 9. 2 2s are 4, 7 minus 4 is 3. This 2 we bring here, add up, this becomes 4. This 29 we bring down, we write here 7, and the same number we write here. 7 7s are 49, 7 4s are 28, 28 plus 4 is 32. So the remainder is 0. That means 27 is the square root of 7 to 9, which means 27 square is 7 to 9. Okay, so 7 to 9 we write 27, p6 we write p cube. Now we put whole square. This means this square applies to both the numbers 27 and p cube. Okay, so 27 square is 7 to 9, p cube squared is 3 to the 6, p to the power 6 minus q to the power 6, we can write like this, q cube whole square, 3 to the 6, q to the power 6, isn't it? Okay, now this we assume as a and this we assume as b. This becomes a square minus b square, isn't it? A square minus b square. A square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. So a is 27 p cube, a plus b, a plus b, q cube is b, a minus b. 27 p cube is a minus b. Okay, now this again we can convert into this form. 27 is 3 p whole cube. This cube applies to both the numbers 3 and p. Okay, 3 cube means 27, p cube means p cube, plus this is q cube. Again this also we write in the similar way. 27 means 3 p, okay, whole cube. 3 cube is 27, p cube is p cube, minus q cube we write as it is, q cube. Okay, this we assume as a and this is b. Okay, 3p we assume as a, q we assume as b. So a cube plus b cube will give us a plus b into a square 3p square, a square minus ab. ab means 3p into b, a b plus b square, q square. Okay, again we have a cube minus b cube, isn't it? In the similar manner we write the formula for this also. We apply the formula a cube minus b cube, that is a minus b into a square, that is 3p square, plus ab, 3p into b is ab, plus b square, plus b square. This is 3p plus q, 3p plus q, okay. This 3p whole square, isn't it? So 3 square is 9, 3 squared is 9, 3 squared is 9, p squared is p squared, minus 3 into p into q is 3pq, plus q squared, isn't it? Again we have 3p minus q, 3p minus q, and then 3 squared is 9, p squared is p squared, plus 3pq plus q squared, isn't it? Now we rewrite this again, arrange this number together, this and this, okay. 3p plus q into 3p minus q. Now we write this, 9p square minus 3pq plus q squared, and this number 9p squared plus 3pq plus q squared. Okay, so this is the answer for question number 2. These are the factors of 729 p to the power 6 minus q to the power 6. Okay, when we multiply all these expressions, we get 729 p to the power 6 minus q to the power 6. Now let's do question number 3. Okay, now let's do question number 3. We have 8 into p minus 3 whole cube plus 343, isn't it? So what we do is, 8 means 2 cubed, isn't it? 2 cubed is 8. So we write 2 p minus 3 and then whole cubed, okay? This cube is for both the numbers now, because both the numbers are within the bracket. So 2 cubed is 8, p minus 3 whole cubed is p minus 3 whole cubed, plus 343. Let's find the factors of 343. 343 means, so when we see the last digit, unit digit as 3, we must try with 7, okay. 7 4s are 28, 28 plus 6 is 34, that 6 when we give to 3 becomes 63, so 7 9s are 63, 7 7s are 49. 7 multiplied 3 times will give us 343, isn't it? So 343 means 7 cubed. Now we can assume this as a and 7 as b. This will give us a cube plus b cube. We can apply the formula a cube plus b cube now. A cube plus b cube is a plus b, isn't it? So a is 2p minus 3, a plus b is 7, a plus b, okay, into a square, a is 2p minus 3, a squared minus ab, minus a is 2p minus 3, this is a, b is 7, ab plus b squared, isn't it? Plus b, b is 7, b squared, okay. So this is 2 into p is 2p, plus into minus is minus, 2 3s are 6, this is plus 7. Now we have 2 squared, this square is for both the numbers 2 and p minus 3, okay. So 2 squared is 4, p minus 3 squared is p minus 3 squared, okay. This 2 squared is 4, p minus 3 squared is p minus 3 squared. This minus we write here as it is. 7 2s are 14, 14 into p is 14p, minus into this minus is plus, 7 2s are 14, 14 into 3 is 42, 42, okay. 7 2s are 14, 14 into 3 is 42, plus 7 square is 49, 49, okay. 7 squared is 49. Now we have 2p minus 6 plus 7, different sign, we must subtract the number. 7 minus 6 is 1, sign of greater number, that is plus 7, so we write plus here. Again 4 we write here as it is, p minus 3 whole squared, isn't it? So we can assume that this p as a and 3 as b. This becomes a minus b whole squared, isn't it? A minus b whole squared means a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. A minus b whole squared means a squared minus 2ab plus b squared minus 14p. Okay, we have bracket here, minus 14p plus 42 plus 49, same sign, so we must add these two numbers. Plus 9 plus 2 is 11, 9 10 11, we write 1 here, we have 1 in hand. 4 plus 4 is 8 plus 1 is 9, 91, isn't it? So this is 2p plus 1, and let's multiply this. 4 into p square, because 4 is outside the bracket means we must multiply this, isn't it? 4 into p square is 4p squared. This minus we write here. 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, 24p plus 3 squared is 9, so 4 9s are 36. Okay, now minus 14p plus 91. This 2p plus 1 we copy as it is, 2p plus 1. After that, this 4p square we write as it is, 4p square. So we have minus 24p and minus 14p, same number, same sign, isn't it? So 24 and 14, we must add these two numbers. This will give us minus 4 plus 4 is 8, 2 plus 1 is 3, 38p, minus 24p minus 14p is minus 38p, plus 36 plus 91. So we must add these two numbers as well, because both are same sign. 1 plus 6 is 7, 9 plus 3 is 12, so 127. So these two are the factors of 8 into p minus 3 whole cube plus 343. When we multiply 2p plus 1 and this expression, we get this. Okay, so this is the answer for question number 3. Let's move on to the next question. Let's do question number 4. So we have 1 upon 8a cube plus 8 upon b cube, isn't it? So 1 upon 8a cube, we can rewrite this as 1 upon 2a whole cubed. Okay, this cube applies to all the numbers now. So 1 cubed means 1 into 1 into 1, that is 1. 2 cubed means 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8. And a cubed means a cubed. Okay, similarly 8 upon b also we can write as 2 upon b whole cubed. Now this cube applies to both the numbers. Okay, 2 cubed is 8, b cubed is b cubed. Now this we assume as a and this we assume as b. So 1 upon 2a is a, 2 upon b is b. A cube plus b cube, we have the formula a cube plus b cube. Let's apply that formula. Okay, so a cube plus b cube is actually a plus b. This is a plus b is 2 upon b, a plus b into a square. A is 1 upon 2a square minus ab. A is 1 upon 2a into b is 2 upon b. ab plus b square. B is 2 upon b. So we have 1 upon 2a plus 2 upon b whole into 1 squared is 1, 2 squared is 4, a squared is a squared. Okay, minus this 2 from the denominator and 2 from the numerator can be cancelled. So in the numerator we have 1 into 1. Here we have 1. Okay, 1 into 1 is 1, and in the denominator we have a into b, that is ab, plus this 2 squared is 4 and this b squared is b squared. Okay, so this is the answer for question number 4. These two are the factors of 1 upon 8a cube plus 8 upon b cube. Now let's do next question. Let's do question number 5. So we have 2a cube minus b cube whole cubed minus b to the power 9. Okay, so what we do is we write this term as it is, this expression as it is, 2a cube minus b cubed whole cubed, and this we rewrite as b cubed whole cubed. So 3 3s are 9. B to the power 9 means 3 3s are 9. Okay, b cubed whole cube. Now let's assume this as a and this as b. So a cubed minus b cubed, isn't it? Let's apply the formula a cubed minus b cubed. A, that is 2a cubed minus b cubed. This is a minus b, b is b cubed, a minus b, okay, into a square is 2a cubed minus b cubed. This is a squared plus ab, a is 2a cubed minus b cubed. This is a, and b is b cubed, ab plus b squared, isn't it? B squared means b cubed, this is b squared. Okay, now this 2a cube we write here as it is, minus b cube is minus 2b cube. Okay, minus b cube is minus 2b cube. Now we have 2a cube minus b cubed whole squared. We can assume this as a minus b whole squared. A minus b whole squared means a squared. Okay, a is 2a cubed, a squared minus 2ab. A is 2a cubed, b is b cubed. 2ab plus b squared. B squared means b cubed squared. 2a cubed minus b cubed whole squared means a minus b whole squared. A minus b whole squared means a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Okay, plus this plus we write here, b cubed into 2a cubed is 2a cubed b cubed, 2a cubed b cubed, b cubed into 2a cubed. This we have to multiply, okay, because we have bracket here. So b cubed into 2a cubed is 2a cubed b cubed, plus into minus is minus b cubed into b cubed, b cubed into b cubed. Same base means power adds up, so b to the power 6. Okay, plus b cubed whole square means 3 2s are 6, b to the power 6, 3 2s are 6. Okay, so this 2 and 2 we take as common, 2 is taken as common. Within the bracket we have a cubed minus, here 2 is taken as common, b cubed remains within the bracket. Here we have 2a cubed whole square means this square is for both the numbers 2 and a. Okay, so 2 squared is 4, a cubed square means 3 2s are 6, a to the power 6. This minus we write here, 2 2s are 4, a cubed b cubed, isn't it? So 4 a cubed b cubed plus 3 2s are 6, b to the power 6 plus 2a cubed b cubed, 2a cubed b cubed. This minus b to the power 6 plus b to the power 6. Same number, opposite sign, we cancel these numbers. Okay, so 2 a cubed minus b cubed, we can apply the formula a cubed minus b cubed, that is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square, isn't it? Now we have 4 a to the power 6, this number, minus, okay, minus 4a cube b cube plus 2a cube b cube. Okay, same type of number, signs are opposite means we have to subtract. 4 minus 2 is 2. The sign of greater number comes, that is minus 2a cube b cube, isn't it? 4a cube b cube minus 2a cube b cube is 2a cube b cube. Sign of greater number, minus will come here, plus b to the power 6 plus b to the power 6. So this is the solution for question number 5. Okay, these are the factors of 2a squared, sorry, 2a cubed minus b cubed whole cubed minus b to the power 9. I hope you got this. Now let's move on to the next question. Okay, now let's do question number 6. Cap a cap r cube minus cap a small r cube plus cap a cap r square small h minus cap a small r square small h. Okay, so what we can say is from these two terms we can see a as common, cap a as common. So this a and this a are in both the terms, so we can take a as common. Okay, so a is taken as common from the first two terms, so within the bracket a is taken common, so this cap r cube will remain within the bracket minus this cap a is taken as common, this small r cube will remain within the bracket. Okay, plus in these two terms we have ah, cap a small h, cap a small h common in both the terms, isn't it? So we can take the common number out, a h, and within the bracket we have cap r square minus small r square. Okay, now this a we write here as it is. This cap r we assume as a and small r we assume as b. So a cube minus b cube means a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. Okay, this plus we write here, ah we write here, and then r square, cap r square minus small r square. This we assume as a and this we assume as b. A square minus b square means a plus b into a minus b. Okay, so we have a common in both the terms and r minus r common in both the terms, isn't it? This and this common in both the terms, this term and this term. Okay, so we take a r minus r common, and within the bracket we have r square plus cap r small r plus r square. Okay, this r small r square plus, so we took a and r minus r as common, so this h and this will remain within the bracket, isn't it? So h into cap r is cap r h, or you can write as hr. Okay, plus h into r is small r, this is a small r, h into r is rh. So this is the solution for question number 6. Okay, this a r minus r and this expression, when we multiply all these expressions we get this. Okay, so these are the factors, a r minus r, and these are the factors of this expression, ar cube minus ar cube plus ar square h minus ar square h. Let's do question number 7. So we have a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. A cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube means a plus b whole cube, isn't it? This is a plus b whole cube. A plus b whole cube is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. This minus we write here 8 means we write 2 whole cubed. Now this a plus b we assume as a and 2 we assume as b. Okay, a cube minus b cube. Now let's apply the formula for a cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cubed is a minus b into a square. A plus b is a, isn't this is a square plus ab This is a and b is 2, ab plus b square. So let's open up the bracket. A plus b minus 2, and this is a plus b whole square, isn't it? So a plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. A plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square plus 2 into a is 2a plus into this plus is plus 2 into b is 2b plus 2 squared is 4. Okay, so we have a plus b minus 2, a squared plus 2ab plus b squared plus 2a plus 2b plus 4. So these two are the factors of this expression. Okay, I hope you got this. Now let's move on to the next question. Okay, now let's do question number 8. So we have 32x to the power 4 minus 500x. Let's take 4x common from both the terms. Okay, so 4 8s are 32. X into x cube is x to the power 4. Okay, which means 4x into 8x cube is 32x to the power 4. This minus we write here. Now 4, this x is already taken as common, we don't write x here. Okay, so 4 into some number must give us 500. Okay, 4 1 ja 4, but this is 5, so the extra one we move to this 0, this becomes 10. 4 2s are 8, 9 10, 2 extra, we further move to the next 0, this becomes 20. So 4 5s are 20, isn't it? So 4x into 125 will give us 500x. Okay, this 4x we copy as it is. After that 8x cube we can rewrite as 2x whole cube. This cube is for both the numbers 2 and x. 2 cube is 8, x cube is x cubed, minus this 125 means 5 cubed. 5 cubed will give us 125. 4x we copy as it is. After that we apply the formula a cube minus b cube. A cubed minus b cubed. Okay, so a cubed minus b cubed is a minus b, that is a minus b into a square, that is a square. Let me write again. Okay, a squared, a is 2x, a squared plus ab, a into b, ab plus b squared. 4x, this 4x we wrote here as it is. A cube minus b cube is a minus b, a minus b into a square plus ab plus b squared. So this 4x into 2x minus 5 we write here as it is. Now 2 squared is 4, x squared is x squared plus 5 2s are 10, x plus 5 squared is 25. So this is the solution, or these are the factors of this expression, 32x to the power 4 minus 500x. Now let's move on to the next question. Okay, now let's do question number 9. So we have 8a cube minus b cube minus 4ax plus 2bx, isn't it? So from these two terms we can apply the formula a cube minus b cube, isn't it? So 8a cube we rewrite as 2a whole cube minus b cube. Okay, from these two terms we take 2x common. Okay, 2 and 4 we have 2 common, x and x we have x common. Let me write this properly, b cube. From these two terms we, this minus we write here, from these two terms we take 2x common, 2x as common. Now 2x into 2a, 2x into 2a, 2 2s are 4, x into a is ax. Okay, minus into minus, minus into minus is plus, 2x into b is 2bx, 2x into b, 2x into b is 2bx. Okay, now this is a cube minus b cube, so a cube minus b cube is a minus b into a square, that is 2a is a square plus ab, this is a and b, okay, ab plus b squared, b squared. After that we have minus 2x into 2a minus b, isn't it? So we have 2a minus b, let's write as it is, 2a minus b. Now we have 2a whole squared, isn't it? So 2 squared is 4, a squared is a squared, plus 2 into a into b, 2a into b is 2ab plus b squared. Okay, so minus this number we write again, 2x into 2a minus b. Now from both these terms, this and this, we have 2a minus b and 2a minus b common. So let's take the common 2a minus b out. 2a minus b is taken as common. Now within the bracket remains 4a square plus this 2ab plus this b square. After that 2ab is taken, 2a minus b is taken as common, minus 2x remains within the bracket. So these two are the factors of 8a cube minus b cube minus 4ax plus 2bx. Okay, this is the answer for question number 9. Okay, now let's do the last question of this exercise, question number 10. X cube minus 6x squared plus 12x minus 35. We are asked to factorize this. So what we do is we convert this expression into a minus b whole cube form, and then we will proceed to factorize. Okay, so let's begin. So this x cube, we write here x cube, so we will assume this as a cube minus 3a square b, isn't it? A minus b whole cube means a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube, isn't it? So 3a square, a is x, a square b we assume as 2, okay, 3a square b. Now let's check whether this number comes or not. 3 2s are 6, 6 into x square is 6x square minus 6x square. Okay, so a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square, isn't it? 3ab square. 3a is x, a b square, b is 2, 3ab square minus b cube, minus b is 2, isn't it? 2 cube. Now this minus 35, isn't it? But we have added this minus 2 cube. Let's check again. X cube, we have here x cube minus, this is minus 6x square, so 3 2s are 6x square, the same number is here, plus 12x, so 2 square is 4, 4 3s are 12x. Now we added minus 2 cube. Okay, we subtracted 2 cube means 8, minus 8 from this expression, isn't it? So we must add plus 8. Minus 2 cube means minus 8 means plus 8. As a whole, the value of this expression does not change, minus 35. This minus 35. Let's check again. This x cube is x cube here. This minus 6x square is 3 2s are 6x square minus 6x square plus 12x is 2 squared is 4, 4 3s are 12, 12x plus 12x. Okay, minus 2 cube is minus 8, and I wrote plus 8 as well, so minus 8 and plus 8 as a whole becomes 0. Now this minus 35, we have minus 35, so the value of this expression remains unchanged, isn't it? Minus 8 and plus 8 will become 0. Okay, I wrote this extra minus 2 cube and balanced it with plus 8. Now what we can see here is a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube, that is a minus b whole cube, isn't it? A is x, b is 2. A cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube is a minus b whole cube. So plus 8 minus 35, opposite side means we must subtract. So 35 minus 8 is 27, isn't it? And sign of greater number, that is minus, we write here. Okay, so x minus 2 whole cube, we copy this as it is, x minus 2 whole cube minus 27 means 3 cube. 27 means 3 cube. 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9. 3 multiplied 3 times gives us 27. 3 cubed is 27. Okay, so this is A and this is B now. A cube minus B cube is A minus B, A minus B. After that, A square plus AB, isn't it? Plus AB is x minus 2, B is 3, AB plus B square. Okay, this is x minus 2 minus 3 is minus 5. Okay, now A minus B whole square, x is A, 2 is B. Okay, A minus B whole square is A square minus 2AB plus B squared. After that, plus this plus we write here, 3 into x is 3x, plus into minus is minus, 3 2s are 6, plus 3 squared is 9. Okay, so we rewrite this x minus 5 as it is. This x square minus 2 2s are 4x, plus 2 squared is 4, plus 3x minus 6 plus 9 is plus 3, isn't it? 9 minus 6 is 3, sign of greater number plus. Okay, again let's write this x minus 5. So this is x square minus 4x plus 3x, opposite sign, isn't it? Minus 4x plus 3x is minus x, plus 4 plus 3 is plus 7. Okay, so this two are the factors of x cube minus 6x square plus 12x minus 35. So this is the solution for question number 10. I hope you got this, you understood the concept of factorization from the cube formula. Okay, stay connected. I'll upload the next chapter in the next video, and don't forget to share with your friends and hit the like button if you understood the concept. Thank you so much.